Hi friends, this is Loli. Welcome to my channel. For today's DIY, I'll be using 3 wood rounds that come in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And I'm to make sure that everything is dusted, and we are going to be using some white acrylic paint from Apple Barrel to give 2 of these pieces 2 coats in the center, leaving the bark area exposed. We do that with 2 of the wood rounds, and we do it for the front and the back of each of them. For the third one, I use the same paint, but I'm doing a very light dry brush method, just to give it a little bit of rustic feel, and I wanted that, wood to show through pretty good. And then I'm using some of these Scrabble pieces from the Dollar Tree. I'm spelling out the word joy, and I just use a combination of gel super glue and hot glue to attach these to the front of this ornament. Then I took some of this greenery that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut little small pieces of the branches off, and I'm going to just attach it to the top of my ornament there. I made sure to layer it. I wanted it to be like framing the word. I didn't want it to cover it. But first I wanted to put on the hanger. So I folded one of the pieces of rope that came with it into 2 halves, and I'm putting that through the hole, creating a loop, and then I'm putting the piece of the remaining end through that loop I created and tighten it up to make sure that I get a nice secure knot that will keep my ornament looking the same direction. If you're enjoying the video thus far, please leave me a thumbs up. It's a quick and easy gesture that goes a long way, and it's truly appreciated. When attaching the greenery, I made sure to layer it in order to get a little bit more volume and texture. Then I took some of this buffalo check ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I created a small simple bow. All I did was just create a awareness bow, then cinch it at the middle and tie with a small piece of jute twine. And once that was done, I dovetailed it and glued it to the top of my ornament. Then I took one of the red berries and glued it at the middle of my bow. Here it is how it turned out. For the second one, we will be using Scrabble pieces as well, but we are using the ones that have the wood finish. I glued it using a combination of gel super glue and hot glue. I also glued a piece of greenery to the middle, put on the hanger, created another buffalo check bow for this ornament as well, and attached it to the area where the greenery and the jute cord join. I dovetailed the ends, added a tiny pine cone from the scatter set at the Dollar Tree, and here it is all complete. For the third ornament, I used some of these pine bushes from the Dollar Tree. I just cut 2 of the little ends off, and I took another pine cone from the scatter. Then I took some of this tissue paper from the Dollar Tree as well and cut a section that I would like to be in the middle of my wood round. I cut off the excess. Then I teared off the edges just to make sure that it's more uniform and more natural looking when I place it onto my round. Then I took some of this puzzle saver from the Dollar Tree, and I just use it as I use Mod Podge. I just put a coat onto the wood round and place down my paper onto it, softly tapping and making sure that all the bubbles are off and the paper is laying completely flat on the entire surface. Then I added a small amount to the top as well to make sure everything is sealed in. I took my scissors and make sure that the hole at the top is opened. Did the same thing with the previous one. Folded my jute cord in half, put the loop into the holes and the other end through the loop. Then I took some of this pine from the Dollar Tree and attached it using some hot glue. I then took the pine cone, trimmed it at the bottom, and attached it to the middle using some hot glue. Next, I took some of this beaded garland from the Dollar Tree and wrapped it around the end of one of the floral picks to make it all curly, and then I'm going to attach it to my ornament. I was working with different placements, so I decided to put it there, connecting from the bottom of the pine cone, and I took a smaller piece and did it on the other side as well. And here it is all completed. I am so in love with these ornaments. They are so cute. They were easy to make, completely inexpensive. I had most of the supplies to decorate them with, and I only bought one package of these wood rounds at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I will say these can be made for under $3. Let me know which one is your favorite. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember, be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. Have a great day. Bye.